Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Sufia. Today I'm going to show how to make this Bangladeshi recipe, that is spicy dry fish curry with vegetable. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So now let's straight into the video. Today I'm going to create one of the very famous Bangladeshi recipe, that is a spicy dry Lottia fish with vegetable curry. So let's get started. At first I already pan hot and then I already add 200 ml of sunflower oil. After that I did add 4 onion, that is in chopped pieces, and I already start to fry this one to make it little bits of brownish coloration. Just 4 large size of onion. And in meantime I already prepared, this is 200 gram of dry Lottia fish. I already soaked with hot water just for 10 minutes. Then I cut it down in 1 inches in small pieces. When the onion is become a little bit of brownish coloration, then I'm going to add the garlic and ginger paste. My onion is almost fried. Now I can start to add the rest of the ingredient one by one. Here I already take 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Now I'm going to add this one. I'm going to stir it. This is very easy to cook, and within very short time and with few ingredients we can make it. But it's very tasty. Then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredient. Here I do have 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to add both of them. Here I do have also 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Now I'm going to mix together everything. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I'm going to add the dried fish. All the masalas and almost all the ingredients I already added. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, my vegetables. And as a vegetable today I am start to using that potato. This is a peel potato. I'm taking 2 large size of potato. Now I'm going to mix together and stir it. properly. And here I'm going to add the two begun. So in a chopped like in square size of cut, I using the two aubergine. Now I'm going to mix all together. Still, I didn't use any water. Now I'm going to use warm water. Here I do have in total half liter of water. So I'm now going to add the half. That means in 250 ml. Then I'm making the heat in low, turning in low heat. Almost all the ingredients I already added. Now I'm going to add the tomato. It's a tomato slice. Here I already in one tomato and cut it down in 8 pieces. So here I already used 4 tomato. Now I'm going to add all of them. And 10 chili I just cut in middle. So I'm just going to also add this one. Then I'm going to add the rest of the water. That is another 250 ml of water. Mix all the ingredients together properly. Then I will cover the lid and cook it for another 15 minutes. So I have to wait for 15 minutes for cooking all the ingredients, and because I didn't add too much of water, because in the aubergines, and I already add some water from aubergines, there will be some water will become inside, and I'm using the low heat and just cover it properly. So after 15 minutes I will show you everything. Now 15 minutes is done. Now I'm going to open the lid. Now my curry is almost done. It's very delicious smell is coming out from the steam. I will understand when the curry is completely done, when the extra oil is going to separate it from the gravy. So it's almost coming out. It's become now a little bit of thick in consistency. But all the vegetables like potatoes and the aubergine is not like completely melted. Now I'm going to add some coriander. Here I do have 1 cup of coriander. Now I'm going to add half of the slice of coriander on top of my curry, and rest of them I will add on top of my garnishing during serving. The cooking is almost done. Now I think that I can turn off the flame. Then I can start the garnishing. So now I'm going to turn off my flame. From close, this is the gravy consistency. So now oil is completely separate and all my vegetables, dry fish and the aubergine is now cooked properly but not in melted. This is the look. It's very yummy and delicious smell is coming out. Now I will start to serving my this curry. Please try to make this recipe at home. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.